Now, if I was to tell you that there's a plant that's hardy anywhere within our northeast and mid-Atlantic region, that it's vigorous and strong growing, and in fact in many cases twice as vigorous and strong growing as many of similar types. And then if I was to tell you that it started to flower as early as any other of its type in the marketplace, and then keep going through the season with multiple flushes, in fact often as many times as 4 cycles of flowering during the season. And then I was to tell you that when it does flower, it produces these beautiful 4-inch wide flowers that have a gorgeous color with a nice green throat and also a very pleasant fragrance. And then I was to tell you that altogether it's a plant that only gets less than 2 foot high, and it's very easy to grow in a sunny location. When I tell you all that, would you believe me? Well, I hope so, because you're looking at it. This is Hemerocallis early-bird cardinal, a really magnificent variety of daylily that, as you see, produces not only one beautiful flower that has this lovely red coloring and very nice kind of ruffled edges to the petals, but also, as you see, produces lots of flower buds that will then keep the flowers going right through the whole of the season, and then when it's done with that, it'll throw up new shoots from inside the crown to rebloom and throw again lots of flower bud that will keep it going through to the early part of the autumn time. That's what this beautiful variety is. And then of course I have to tell you that this is a perennial, so all of that would be repeated year after year, and I think you can see what a wonderful plant this would be to put into a sunny, well-drained position in your garden. Developed by Darrell Apps, he made the cross in 1997 and selected the seedling in 1999. This is a Hemerocallis early-bird cardinal, a lovely variety of daylily that we just have found to be a magnificent performer here at Overdevest Nurseries.